Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You already have Python and pip. Now install Matplotlib because the only reliable way to make font size bigger in Python for plots is to set font properties centrally. Once done, import Matplotlib and pyplot, then set RC params or font properties. Make sure to choose numeric sizes in points, for example 12 or 16. Start with a minimal script, import Matplotlib. Pyplot as PLT, configure RC params before creating figures. This first step sets a global baseline that all text elements will follow. Once RC params is set, create your plots. This is the complex middle step where control matters. You change Matplotlib, RC params font. Size equals 16 to enlarge all text or fine-tune axes. Title size legend. Font size and xstick. Label size individually. Use font properties when you need per text control. After configuring, call PLT. Figure and plot, labels, titles, and ticks inherit sizes now. If you need different sizes for one element, pass font size equals 20 directly to that call to override the global setting. To finish, render and save your figure. DPI and fig size affect perceived font size, so use PLT. Save fig out. PNG DPI equals 300 or adjust PLT. Figure fig size equals 8:6. Once saved, verify that labels and titles appear larger as intended. If they do not, make sure you set RC params before creating plots and confirm backend supports your font. A common troubleshooting tip. If sizes still look unchanged, clear caches and restart the Python session.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.